Okay, we're gonna see what we can find. This is our elderberry tree, but look here, got a little nest. Oh, there she went. That was Mama. Oh, see some little red bird on it. There's no way y'all are gonna be able to see her. Yeah, there's no way y'all are gonna see her. Anyway, she's gonna get mad at me, but I'm gonna be real careful. These limbs are very giving. Mad as hell. Hopefully y'all can see a couple of cute little eggs right there. Okay, Mama, I'm not gonna hurt your little eggs. I just wanted to share your. Oh, there's Daddy right there. That's Daddy. He was swooping at me a second ago. Anyway, so as everybody in the south part of the United States can tell, spring is abound. So anyway, thought y'all'd like that.